Hi, today I decided to make a video about my favorite product for the summer. Some of them are new, some of them I already showed you, but I'll show you what I'm using right now. So this is a totally new product. It's called Wonderskin. It's for the lips and I've never tried it before, so we're going to try it together. It's basically a stain for your lips. You just put it on and it's supposed to stain your lips. So the directions say apply 2-3 thick coats on the clean exfoliated lips like a lip gloss, using short side to side or up and down strokes. Ensure lips are completely covered and no skin is visible. Leave on for 10 to 45 seconds. The longer you leave it on, the more saturated your lip color will be. Mist activate 1 to 2 times to peel it off. Let's try it. I didn't even open the packaging yet, so I'm doing it right now. So in the package we have this activator that I need to open. Okay, hold on a second. I need to find something to open it with. And by the way, I did my nails today with the dip powder. This is the first time I tried it. They feel very thick. Supposedly it will stay longer, so I'll tell you how that went. We don't offer this service at the Woodhouse Day Spa, but I saw it and I just wanted to try it to let you know how I like it. So by the way, this Wonderskin I just purchased on Amazon.
Amazon.
I hope I can figure out how to use it. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's just a piece of something. So this is the lip mask. So I assume I have to apply this mask first, leave it on, and then to take it off, I just use the other product. I'm making so much mess here. Oh my god, should have been more prepared for this video. Well, good thing we can cut it out. So I'm applying it as a lip gloss. Oh my god, it looks weird. Oh my god. Matches my top. Very cool. Blue lips. Maybe we'll make the thumbnail with this, with my blue lips. Okay, so 45 seconds. While we are doing 45 seconds, let me tell you about other things that I really like, that I'm loving right now. I just purchased Dermablend. This is a body makeup. It's for people who want to cover some things on their legs, on their stomach. So it's great to cover stretch marks. It's great to cover veins on your legs if you have visible veins. I don't know why I purchased it. I just wanted to see how it looks like, and it didn't disappoint. It covers really well. I can't really show you. I just have some parts of my body that are not tanned, and I bought the color that is darker than my regular color. So I apply it when I don't want to have those tan lines. And I know another thing that you can use is a self tanner, but this is temporary. You can wash it off. Self tanner will last you a week. So highly recommend Dermablend. It also covers tattoos. If you have tattoos and you need to go somewhere where you don't want people to see your tattoos, looks like just real skin. I'll show you quickly. So you apply it as regular makeup and it covers really. You can do legs, you can do arms, you can do your stomach, whatever you want. You see? Oh, let's cover this. Let's see if it will cover it. So see, I have this little discoloration here, so let's see if it will cover it. Covered pretty well. I can't see it anymore. Okay, do you think 45 seconds passed? I think it did. So let's take off this mask. So it says to mist activate 1-2 times and to peel it off. And it said the longer I keep it, the darker the stain will be. I don't know if I should wait a little more or not. So let me show you another thing before I do this. Another thing, and I purchased this on Amazon. This is, I think I pronounced it right, Kai. I first discovered this line when I was at the destination. Oh my god, I forgot a Canyon Ranch. So this is the product. They have other products. This is a body wash. It smells amazing. So I just purchased it. I know I used it before. This is new, and the smell is just to die for. It says a light blend of exotic perfumes and natural essences in naturally hydrating and cleansing body wash. Sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free. We don't want those chemicals in our body care, so that's the next thing I purchased. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh my god, the taste is weird. It's sweet, but it's weird. It got into my mouth. Okay, let's try it. It At least I'm not going to go with my blue lips. So it does have some color. Am I excited about this color? Not really. I'm still going to put something on top. They do come in different colors, so maybe I need to get something brighter. And this color that I got, what is it? It's called Romance. So what do you think? I'm not excited about it. And my lips feel weird. I don't think I'll do this again. Don't recommend. Do not recommend. Don't buy this. Okay, but do buy this. I really love it. The smell is great. Very flowery, very light. This is my repurchase. I already used it. Used it up and I repurchased. This is, I think it's called Oribe Gold Lust shampoo and conditioner. Makes your hair really silky, feels great, smells great. Really high-end shampoo and conditioner. Highly recommend. I purchased them in from Sephora. Next thing. I already showed you these things. This is SBLA, neck and eyes. This is amazing. This is for the eyelids. There are not many products on the market that you can use for the eyelids, but you can use this one. So you apply it like this twice a day, and your skin around your eyes tightens up. Really good for people with hooded eyes like me. And this is the day neck sculpting. So you see with the lines, it really works on the lines. It works, oh my god, I don't know what I just did. Works on discoloration, works on lines, works on double chin, works on many things. And I made a video on how to take care of your neck. Highly recommend for you to watch. Let me clean this up a little bit here. I'm making a mess. You have no idea what's going on here. So now that I applied the products, let's distribute it. You actually can feel it working right away. I hate this lip color. It doesn't look good on me. New thing, new eyeliner. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's green. My eyes are sometimes brown, sometimes green, depending on the light. So I want to see how it will look. So one side is lighter, brighter green, and another is darker. I do like lighter on the bottom and darker on the top. I don't have any other eye makeup today, so let's just see how this will work out. Very easy to apply, and I like the color. And now I'm applying through my phone, not through my mirror, and the light is very bright into my eyes, so I may mess up a little bit here. But I really like it. Yeah, looks great. I talked about this mascara. This is the funniest mascara. It's called Better Than Sex. It's not better than sex. I tried it. It's fine, but it's not better than sex. Let me quickly apply it. I think one eye looks darker than the other. I'll have to fix it later when I have a good light that I don't blind myself with. I really hate this lip color. Don't buy it. I hope it dissipates by tomorrow. Okay, this mascara is not great. It's okay, it's not the best. My favorite mascara is, it's from Benefit and it's called They're Real, and that mascara really works. One trick that I saw somebody else show, oh look at that. Basically, you apply one coat of mascara, then apply eyeshadow, any color, and then apply mascara again. And that's supposed to make your eyelashes longer. I didn't try it, maybe one day I will try it. Let me see if I can clean this up quickly. Since I'm here, I'll just do my eyebrows really quick. Next thing I'm really excited about, I really like it. It's not makeup, it's called Skin Tint. It's from Huda Beauty, Glowish, and the color that I use for myself is, I have no idea. Oh, light 03. It just gives you that little flow. It's not full coverage, so I won't use it if I really need to look great, but I do use it if we just go out, my husband and I, to the restaurant, 2 of us, nobody else sees me other than him. Gives you this like really nice flow. Look at this. You see this? And this, I love this makeup brush. It's from Bare Minerals. It really helps to apply any kind of makeup and I use it for this. You could probably use your fingers. I just don't want my fingers dirty when I'm working with the camera, so I recommend it. Just get the color that you normally will get for your makeup. It should work great for you. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't cover great. You still need something else to cover, you know, little pimples, but it gives you that glow that makes you feel and look young, vibrant, healthy. Love it. This is one product I'm very excited about. I already showed it. This is from Hourglass. This little palette has the bronzer, the brightening powder, the highlighter, and 2 blushes, just to give myself a little bit of color because I didn't apply much. So this is my bronzer. I already showed you how to apply the bronzer. You apply it on your cheeks and then in 3s you apply it like this. And put it here in the middle, and then put it here if you want to hide your double chin. And I'm ready to go. No, you know what? I'm not ready to go because I want to hide these lips. They really bother me. So we'll just apply a little bit of lip gloss. Now I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is it for my favorite products for summer 2022. For more information on beauty, health, and wellness, see this video next, and don't forget to like and subscribe.